How to fix the cyclic redundancy check error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the cyclic redundancy check error. So this error can occur if you have a corrupted disk or a corrupted file. So you might want to fix it as soon as possible. So this is how you do it. First, open up your file explorer and head over to this PC. So you'll find it right here. Head over to this PC, and after you're on your local disk right here, right click on it. After you right click on it, tap on properties. After you're on your properties, you will see a lot of different options here. So head over to tools section right here. After there, you can see the error checking option. Simply tap on check. Now this can take a lot of time, so I'm not going to do it right now, but after you tap on check, you might have to give it your administrative permission and it will do a scan on your local disk. So after it's done with the scan, it will just show you if there is a problem or error there and also fix it using your Windows support. Now that's the first way we do this. Now the second way is by doing it through our command prompt. So open up your CMD, that is your command prompt, and after you're here, you'll need to type in this command right here, that is CHKDSK, and give a slash F and C and column. So you can simply type that in here, CHKDSK space slash F space C and column. And after you do that, simply run it again. Again, it's going to take a lot of time, but it will go through the checking process. And after it checks your disk, it will give you, if there is an error, it will notify you. And also, if it can fix it with Windows support, it will fix it too. And that's basically how you do it. And that's for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.